Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Zoho API access and refresh tokens. First, you'll need to register your application within the Zoho API console. This crucial step provides you with a unique client ID and client secret, which are essential for authentication. Remember to carefully configure your authorized redirect URI and select the necessary API scopes to define what your application can access. This initial setup lays the groundwork for a secure and functional integration. Next, you'll generate a grant token. This involves constructing a specific authorization URL using your client ID, scopes, and redirect URI. You then direct your users to this URL, prompting them to grant access to your application. Upon their consent, Zoho will redirect them back to your specified URI, appending a temporary grant token. This token is short-lived, usually expiring after about 2 or 3 minutes, so you must use it quickly. Now it's time to exchange that grant token for your permanent access and refresh tokens. You'll make a post request to Zoho's token endpoint, including your client ID, client secret, and the grant token you just received. The API will respond with both an access token, which is typically valid for 1 hour, and a refresh token. The refresh token is long-lived, allowing you to obtain new access tokens without user re-authentication. Finally, you'll use your access token to authenticate all your subsequent API requests. Since access tokens expire, usually after 60 minutes, you'll need to use your refresh token to obtain new ones. Simply send another post request to the token endpoint, including your refresh token, client ID, and client secret. Always store your refresh token securely, as it's crucial for maintaining continuous API access without repeatedly involving the user.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.